Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Portronics Plugs portable sound system. On the front of the package, we have an image of the sound system itself. The brand name and model name is right on top. On the top of the package, we simply have some Portronics branding, and on the bottom, we have some of the salient features, which include radio FM, aux out, PC USB mode, and micro SD card support. There's nothing on the sides, and on the back of the box, we have some technical specifications. The specifications include an output of 2.5 watts. Functions include aux out, micro SD, PC USB mode, and FM radio. It has a playtime of around 3 hours. It has an impedance of 4 ohms, voltage of DC 5 volts, weight is 116 grams, and the dimensions are 12 by 6.4 by 3 centimeters. On the right hand side, we have an illustration calling out a few of the features and buttons of the device. Here we have some information regarding the product, like its exact model ID, which is POR142. And as we can see, we have the blue colored variant of the product. Underneath that, we have some importing and manufacturing information, and right on the bottom, we have the customer care information. Over here, we have a little stamp that has some information regarding the warranty, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. That's about it on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, what we get is some literature. First up is the user manual. This should help you get started off with understanding the various buttons and functions of this device. Next up, we have a little card on which there is a QR code that can be scanned to register for the warranty. But once again, please consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. Next up, we have this little lanyard that can be put into this plastic loop, and you can use it to hang the device off your wrist or any other hook or some surface. Next, we have this charging cable. It has a USB Type A interface on one end and a micro USB interface on the other. It's approximately 22 to 23 inches in length. Coming to the device itself, we can see clearly that it has a blue and black color theme going for it, with blue all around the device except over here and around the display and on the buttons, which is a slight gray color. There's some Portronics branding up top. On the right hand side, we have a display which can't be seen right now, but if we switch the device on, you might be able to see it. And here we go. Underneath the display, we have the various buttons. Up top, we have the volume buttons, and the two buttons on the right hand side are to change the track or to scan for radio stations. Underneath that, we have the number keypad, and this can be used to feed in a particular radio station that you want. We also have the play and pause button next to the number button, and on the bottom we have a save button that will save a particular radio station. There is also this clear plastic protective film that we can remove now. On the top, we have the on-off switch. There are three modes for this switch. Currently, it's on the extreme right, which is its off mode. If we switch it to the center, it will go into FM radio mode, and to the extreme left, it will go into music mode, which will allow it to play music via a micro SD card. While on the subject of the micro SD card, the slot for it is on the right hand side. Up top is the micro SD card slot. Underneath that, we have the micro USB charging input, that is, and underneath that we have a 3.5 mm headphone jack. So you can use this to play music onto larger speakers or into a headphone. On the back, we have a battery hatch, and this can be opened to access the battery. That's about it. So this was the unboxing of the Portronics Plugs portable sound system. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.